Welcome to the Phone Transformer. Today, we're diving into how to fix Instagram Reels lag with a step-by-step guide. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Step 1. Open the Instagram application on your device. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right to go to your profile. Then, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. Step 3. In the menu, scroll down and select Data Usage and Media Quality. Step 4. Here, you'll see the Data Saver option. Make sure to switch it off. Also, ensure that Upload at the highest quality is toggled on to enjoy the best video quality without lag. Step 5. Now, return to your home screen. Press and hold the Instagram app icon until a menu pops up. Then select App Info. Step 6. Within the app settings, find and tap on Storage. Here, you'll see the option to clear cache. Go ahead and tap on it to clear temporary files, which might be causing the lag. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.